Now we will understand how to perform face recognition using web camera. Using web camera, face recognition is really important task because it can help us in surveillance. So now let's understand and begin with our code. We will create a new file and just rename it face web camera. So we are going to use OpenCV. So first thing is we will import certain libraries. The first library is import CV2. CV2 is computer vision library. Now the next step is we are going to load the cascade. Okay, so face is equal to CV2 dot cascade classifier. Cascade classifier is a method which is used to load the classifier. So here we need to provide the path. My cascade is present in this folder. So in Anaconda 3, library, site packages, CV2 and data. So these are all the classifiers which are present here. I need this one, hair cascade, frontal, face, default. Right click, go into the properties, and this is the location where the hair cascade is located. Now just copy this and paste here, and also the name of classifier slash, and this is XML file. Now put double slash because sometimes it doesn't take single slash. So whenever you are specifying any path in Python, use double slash and just run this. It's successfully loaded. Now we will define a method with the help of which we can save our video. Whatever web camera captures, if you want to save that, there is a method. Now we will see that. Suppose if I want to save my video, whatever web camera has taken, I just want to save that. For that, I'll first create an object CV2 dot video writer underscore force cc, and here I will specify xvid. Here we are going to define a codec and will create a video writer object. In order to encode a video in Python, a coding method need to define. To save any image, it's very easy task, but to save a video, it requires little code. So this 4cc is a 4-byte code used to specify the video codec. Here there are actually different types of video codec. So xvid, then wmvi, divx, mjpg. So here I am going to use xvid for my video codec.